నమస్కారం. నా పేరు వెంకటేశం గుప్తా, ఇన్నోవేటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ వెహికల్స్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. I started with my e-cycle, which is started in 1989. India's first e-bike, that is e-cycle. So with my own interest, my own innovation, I struggle hard for getting the space and all the things. But today we are getting everything. You see, petrol is rising. Barrel of oil coming to India, dollars are going outside. So why don't we go for electrical vehicles? These electrical vehicles will help us to save fuel and also save the nation and also pollution. This pollution also coming with lot of diseases increasing. In every year, some thousands, some lakhs of people are dying through this pollution. So let us encourage. So we from Green Seva Foundation encouraging these electrical vehicles from 1989. So worldwide we have lot of enthusiasm Go Green members, and through this we formed Vasavi Wheels, a Go Green eco project, first of its kind in the world, encouraging these electrical vehicles in environment organization. So in environment lot of things are involved. So taking into part of this electrical vehicles, we have initiated with cycle, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, bus, truck, everything we designed. So we have customizing solutions here, customized battery solutions we have, customized designs we have, customized trucks we have, like that everything is customized, we are doing solutions. So we will help each and every individual, corporates, everybody. So now this is used for this vehicle for corporates, where this vehicle is totally advanced solutions. This vehicle is having with advanced features of horn, lighting indicator system, flashlight system, central locking system, and also features with mirrors and disc brake, and also with basket of vehicle, and also with heavy mudguard and dicky space. Everything is featured here. You can see lot of space is incurred in this, and we can have good hot and cool items also can be stored in this vehicle. This vehicle will have safety, security, locked vehicle, and this can be safely taken away, and this having side stands also to have extra luggage, and this can be removed. Again we can have separate attachments. Some big basket is using, and Swiggy is using, Amazon is using, like Flipkart is using for deliveries. So this is having with lighting facility, features with horn, latest advanced lighting system. Okay, so indicator facilities are there. In this basket also heavy, up till 50 kgs this can load. Heavy basket is designed, and heavy lighting is designed. In fog lamps are designed. So this having big seating also, having with lithium ion battery. This is centrally locked feature. Key is open from front, and we can open the seat, and you can see this is having lithium ion battery with detached battery. We can remove this connector. Two connectors are there, battery 1, battery 2. This we can remove this with battery removable, and we can have trip off this one. Whenever it is stripped off, again we can on it when power fluctuation comes. When you don't want to use, make it switch this off. So that is enough. So this is the cap where it is for proof, and this motor is having BLDC motor of 2000 watts. You can see this one. This 2000 watts is heavy motor. Nowadays everyone is having 250 watts, 300 watts, 500 watts, 800 watts, 1000 watts, 1200 watts. Now this is with 2000 watts. This vehicle is heavily, we can have up till 200 kilos, 2000 watts. So heavy persons can be loaded, heavy luggage can be loaded, and good leg space is available here, and it can go in hill areas and also down areas in the road, whichever it is available, you can move this one vehicle. So you can see this vehicle, I am just removing, just kick off this one and you can start off. Okay, and this is also having reverse. Okay, this is the reverse in which it is coming. So heavy reverse can be done with a throttle. So this is switch where you can forward again. Again this is forward. This is forward, And this is the reverse. This is the reverse. This is the reverse. So like this, you can have forward and reverse. So this is having lot of features where advanced technology BMS is used. Battery life is for 3 years. Warranty we are giving. It can sustain for 5 to 8 years easily. We are using lithium ion, also combination with lithium phosphate, whatever the customer chooses, we are providing. And this is heavy vehicle design. I welcome you all corporates to take this offer. We are having good offer for corporates to give bulk orders, and we also have tied up with HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, in which we will support you through financing facility. Okay, so our organization is very well established from so many decades. We are in the field and we got good experience in manufacturing of these electrical vehicles. We have lot of hurdles seen, and now it's a good chance and technologies are available. Let us have this technology available usage, and a lot of barrel of oil is coming to India, dollars are going to outside. So we want to cut this one, and we want to save your pocket, not only pocket, save the environment. So I welcome you all to save this environment, to support our Green Seva Foundation, also support your pocket, support your family, support the nation and everybody. Thank you, one and all.
Please do subscribe Myra Media.
Please subscribe Myra Media.
Subscribe to Myra Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media for lot of film news, gossips and hot news.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.
For more interesting updates, please subscribe to Myra Media YouTube channel. For more updates, please subscribe to Myra Media.
So like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.